Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing values so Excel can add them quickly. Click the first cell and type each number down a column or across a row. Make sure cells contain only numbers, not text or extra symbols. Once done, pick an empty cell where the total will appear. You do this now so the formula references are clean and predictable. This setup step prevents errors later and makes the math transparent. So formulas like SUM will read contiguous ranges without accidental blanks or labels interfering. Next, you enter the formula that does the work. For contiguous values, type equals SUM, then drag to select the range like A1, A10 and close the parenthesis, then press Enter. Excel returns the total immediately. If numbers are scattered, type equals and add individual cell references with plus between them. For example, equals A1 plus B3 plus C5. Alternatively, click the Auto Sum Sigma button to let Excel guess the range. Verify it and press Enter. Make sure ranges reflect only numeric cells to avoid wrong totals. Finally, you tidy results and handle common issues. After confirming one correct formula, drag the fill handle to copy it across rows or down columns so Excel adjusts references automatically. Use $ for absolute cells if needed. If a total shows 0 or a hash value, error, inspect the reference cells for text, spaces, or unrecognized characters and convert formats to number. When confused, use Evaluate Formula or Formula Auditing tools to step through calculation logic. This reveals which cell breaks the chain so you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.